I'm Manya, third year ECE from Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here with the topic of peace is possible. The absence of hostility, violence and fear characteristics a state of peace. It is a place where different cultures, religions and ideas are respected and celebrated, and where people live in peace and harmony with one another and with other groups. The growth and well-being of people, communities and nation depends on peace. Addressing the underlying cause of conflicts such as poverty, inequality and injustice is crucial for bringing about peace. This can be accomplished by combining various initiatives such as good governance, economic development and educational advancement. Additionally, it is crucial to address problems like discrimination and oppression because they can stoke resentment and anger, which can cause resultant violence and as well as conflict. Effective intergroup communication and dialogue is a crucial component in fostering peace. Finding common ground and developing trust can be accomplished by listening to and comprehending the viewpoints of others. This can result in effective negotiation and a readiness to make concession, both of which are necessary for resolving disputes and bringing about peace. It's crucial to understand that peace should not only be the absence of violence but also include constructive actions and moral principles. I want to request you to behave with peaceful behaviors like compassion, generosity, fairness and respect for one another. This peaceful behavior is helpful to the development and sustainability of a peaceful culture. Dear friends, don't forget that everyone has a responsibility to maintain peace, not just governments and leaders. Speaking out against injustice and violence, as well as encouraging respect and cooperation between various groups, are all ways that we can all contribute to peace. Only by working together can we hope to bring about a lasting peace. In our individual lives, our communities and the globe at large, we all aspire to live in peace. Finding peace, however, is not always simple, since it frequently calls for compromise, comprehension and a desire to band together and work towards a shared objective. Practice peace in our own lives as one of the first things we can do to advance it. Even when we disagree with someone, we should still show them courtesy and respect. It entails hearing many viewpoints and making an effort to comprehend others' opinions. Additionally, it entails taking accountability for our own deeds and attempting to settle disputes amicably. But establishing a just and equitable society is also important for maintaining peace. It goes beyond individual acts. Access to the fundamental of life such as food, housing and healthcare is what it means to live in peace. It entails tackling issues like poverty, injustice and prejudice that are the main drivers of violence. The presence of justice nor the absence of conflict is what defines peace. So it's crucial to keep that in mind as well. We need to be prepared to face and resolve the problems that put the peace at risk if we want to keep it. By doing so, you are defending human rights and speaking out against injustice. We as a global society must unite in order to bring about world peace. To do this, it is necessary to collaborate with individuals from other origins and cultures, as well as to be prepared to set aside our differences in order to work towards a shared objective. Being conscious of a problem that threatens it, such as war, terrorism and prejudice, is another way that we may contribute to the promotion of world peace. When we observe these problems occurring, we should not be afraid to speak out and take appropriate action. We may all work toward and contribute to the creation of peace. The creation of a just and equitable society begins with individual activities, but it also necessitates a group effort as well as readiness to face and resolve the problem that endanger it. Together, let's work to advance world peace.